Hello and welcome. My name is Annie and I work on the team here at Little Greenlight, a cloud-based donor management system that allows nonprofit organizations to manage their philanthropic relationships, fundraising work, and outreach efforts. LGL gives you a 360 view of your donors and other stakeholders, allowing you to prioritize and focus on the correct next steps. No more wasting time sifting through spreadsheets and multiple systems. It's all in one place. In this short video, you'll learn about LGL's primary features as well as what next steps we'd recommend if you'd like to learn more. Let's start on the LGL dashboard, which allows you to see the most important information in your database front and center when you log in. These widgets provide everything from information on your personal alerts and tasks to fundraising totals and donor retention information and much more. Wondering how this month's revenue compares to previous months? You're not sure who to reach out to this week? The LGL dashboard can help answer these questions and more right from the time you log in. You can customize your individual dashboard as well as create an organization-wide dashboard for all the team members to see. Both are printable to PDF. In LGL, you can have as many team members or users as needed. Regardless of your subscription level, you are provided with unlimited user profiles, so you can have as many members of your team working in LGL as you'd like. Each team member is assigned one of 4 roles with associated permission levels, allowing you to tailor each profile appropriately. Within the LGL Constituents tab, you're able to see all of your constituents, the individuals and entities that you're building relationships with, at a glance. Within this tab, we can create simple or complex queries of our constituents based on a host of criteria, filter by fields, and drilling down to that subset of constituents we want to see. Once we've collected all of the records into the search, I can take a variety of actions with these constituents, including creating a mailing, creating an email, creating an export, or saving them to a list. Now let's see what kind of data we can track on the individual constituent record. The LGL constituent record is where you're able to get a 360 view of your relationships. All information is front and center. Notice the giving history to the right and name information and merge fields we'd expect to see at the top. You also have the ability to create custom categories, allowing you to tailor your account specifically to what your organization needs. The related activities section shows you a timeline of your relationship with the constituent with the most recent activity at the top. This activity can include gifts, emails, volunteering, contact reports, tasks, and more. This allows you to stay on track with your constituents, to see what they're responding to, how they're engaging with your mission, and how you might connect them further. In addition to relationship management, LGL allows you to easily manage fundraising operations, things like manual gift entry, batch gift entry, acknowledgements, and of course, gift coding. This gift coding, assigning gifts to specific campaigns, funds, appeals, and events, not only allows you to honor donor intent and ensure giving is distributed appropriately within your organization, but it allows you to report out on your fundraising efforts to truly understand where are your buckets of revenue coming from. LGL's intuitive reporting and gift coding can help you have informed fundraising strategy discussions based on what the data is telling you. And speaking of tracking your fundraising efforts, LGL's appeals and events features allow you to manage your solicitations, fundraising events, and more. With features like segmentation, RSVP tracking, and the ability to create custom fields, You can track and manage these efforts, and then of course report out after the fact to understand how well you did. Now let's talk about collecting online donations with LGL Forms. Included with your subscription is access to our online forms builder, LGL Forms. This feature allows you to create payment and non-payment forms that automatically sync back to your LGL database. For example, you can create a public-facing donation form such that when a donor submits a gift through this form, the payment will sync to your payment processor, and a submission of that data will be sent to Little Green Light to add the constituent and the gift entirely if they're new, or to update an existing constituent if they are already in the system. For payment forms, you can enable either Stripe or PayPal or both as processors. With Stripe enabled, you can accept credit card, Google Pay and Apple Pay, and ACH payments, providing the smoothest experience for your donors. And outside of a basic donation form, you can use LGL Forms to collect event registrations and payments, take e-newsletter signups, volunteer interests, membership payments, etc. For each form, you're given a number of ways to share it with your constituents. First, we provide the unique URL or link if you want to link from a donate button on your website or link from an email. We also provide you with a downloadable QR code, and if you want to embed the form on your website, the embed code as well. In addition to the LGL Forms integration, LGL has direct integrations with other solutions you may be using, like MailChimp and Constant Contact, QuickBooks Online, Octria, Double the Donation, and more. We also allow you to use the Zapier integration to sync data from systems we may not integrate with directly. And finally, LGL's Flex Importer tool allows for both importing data, and LGL itself allows you to both import and export data, making it possible to upload your organization's historical data into LGL, as well as creating reports using our pre-built report templates or custom reporting capabilities. The Flex Importer features prominently in data migration should you choose to subscribe to Little Green Light. We make self-service data migration with LGL a breeze with our support, spreadsheet templates, knowledge base articles, and videos to guide you through the process. The LGL Consultant Network is also available for customers wishing to retain external help for their data migration needs. All of LGL's support and training is free and available right from within your LGL account. The help page is your central location to send the support team a request, sign up for additional training webinars, access the knowledge base and video library, and sign up for a customer Q&A session. You can send the support team a request like, I ran a report and can't figure out why this data is pulling in, or I'm receiving an error when saving an LGL Forms submission, and you'll receive a personalized response, most often in under an hour. So if you're interested in getting to know Little Green Light a bit more, we'd invite you to join an LGL Intro Tour, a weekly webinar covering LGL's primary features, including a Q&A session. And you're also welcome to sign up for a free LGL account. This full-featured LGL account is free for the first 30 days, requires no credit card to set up, and if you move forward, you're going to subscribe right from that account. So thank you for considering Little Green Light. We hope to have the opportunity to work with you.